if the biggest business opportunity over the next 5 years isn't an app? It's a new job title. It's called live selling. And if you've ever watched someone sell out of a product in 90 seconds on TikTok Live, whatnot, and thought to yourself, I could do that, then this video is for you. Because here's the part almost nobody in the US is saying out loud yet. Live shopping is already massive in China. Not kind of popular, not a fun feature. It's a real commerce engine, entertainment plus checkout in the same moment. People don't just watch, they buy while they're watching. In the US, we're still early. That's not a coincidence, that's a signal. The people who moved first early on YouTube, TikTok, and Amazon, they weren't always more talented, they were just earlier. Live shopping in the US is sitting in that same window right now. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Siren and this is Creator Commerce, where creators learn how to turn content into commerce. Today, I'm not going to oversell you a fantasy income screenshot. I want to be honest with you because I think too many people in this space oversell it. I'm going to show you why China already proved the model and why the US is still early, what live shopping actually is, which platforms are open right now, and the exact first move if you're starting from zero. By the end, you'll know whether this is a real path for you and where to start without juggling 5 apps on day one. Okay, quick context before we start. In China, live commerce didn't stay a gimmick, it became part of how people shop. Hosts don't just post a link and hope. They demo the product live, they answer questions in the comments, and they create urgency. They turn browsing into a show. Think about the difference between reading a review of a blender versus watching someone actually blend the smoothie live and get asked, does it crush ice? In the comments. And then there's a buy button sitting right there. No waiting, no guessing, and no crossing fingers that somebody remembers to open a separate website later. That's the shift. And once you see it that way, you stop thinking weird live stream and start thinking sales career with the camera. So why does that matter if you live in the US? Because markets don't copy overnight. Features roll out, seller tools mature, creators test, and buyers build habit. The US has the platforms now, TikTok Shop Live, Whatnot, YouTube Shopping, and live surfaces. Walmart's creator tools, tools like Comment Sold for hosts and shops, Amazon Live, and other real retail experiments keep pushing the category forward. But habit, culture, and a huge trained class of live sellers, still early. Here's the honest truth. Early doesn't mean easy money. Early means less competition for attention inside the format and more room to learn in public before every niche is packed. If you wait until your For You page is nothing but live sellers, you're late to the skill, not just late to the trend. Real quick, before I get into the platforms, here's a definition. Live shopping is when you sell or recommend products during a live stream with shopping built into the experience. That can look like auctions and shows on Whatnot, products, lives, on TikTok Shop, tag products, and live selling on YouTube. Retail creator programs like Walmart Creator, hosted lives through tools like Comments Sold for brands and sellers. It's not the same as posting an affiliate link in the bio and disappearing. You're the host, you're the demo, you're the trusted layer. And yes, some people do this as a side hustle. Some people build it into a full operator role. Same skill, family, different hours. Now, here's why that's such a big shift. Most make money online advice still sounds like post more content and pray the algorithm likes you. That's a skill. You learn how to open a show, how to hold attention, how to demo without being weird, how to handle objections in chat, how to close without being gross. That's a skill stack. And skill stacks compound. I'm not telling you to quit your job tomorrow. I'm telling you there's a lane opening where a regular person, not a brand, not a celebrity, can practice a sellable skill on platforms that already have buyers hanging out. All right, here's the platforms. Number one, Whatnot, one of the cleanest beginner entry points for live shows and auctions. People search things like how to sell and whatnot every month for a reason. Low follower starts are common in this ecosystem. Number two, TikTok Shop Live, beginner top of funnel, faster culture. You can come in through affiliate paths or seller live paths, depending on your situation. High attention, higher noise. And number three, YouTube shopping live, slower culture, higher trust, longer shelf life on videos that keep working after the lives end. Walmart creator. Most people scroll past this. Lower conversion online, less crowded education. Worth knowing if retail mashups are your thing. Comment sold. Quietly powerful for hosts and shops. Running live selling motions without needing to become a mega influencer first. You do not need all five. Most creators succeed in this space aren't the ones juggling 9 platforms at once. They're the ones who have mastered one. I want to be clear who this is for. This is for you if you can talk to a camera without dying inside. You're willing to look average for 20 lives before you look good. You like products, people, and pacing. You want a path that can become real income, not just engagement. This is probably not for you if you want passive money with zero talking. You need overnight results. You're only chasing one viral video. Live selling rewards reps. Less than a cup of coffee is what some starter tools cost. The expensive part is consistency. If you're starting from zero this week, do this. Step one, pick one platform. If you want the simplest, go live and learn shows. Start studying whatnot. If you're already on TikTok, study TikTok Shop live. If you want long form trust shopping, start with YouTube shopping basics. And step two, watch 5 lives as a student, not a scroller, and write down how they open, how they demo, what they say when the chat is quiet, how they ask for the sale. Create the account and seller path you're actually eligible for. Don't announce a whole brand yet. Get the door open. Set a date for your first practice live, even if only 3 people show up. That's it. No 9 platform circus. Here's a part that actually made me start this channel. I don't think regular people need another generic how to become a creator pep talk. I think they need a map of the commerce skills that are actually opening. Live shopping is one of them. This is a build in public channel. You're going to see the wins and the flops side by side. Platform test, setup, breakdowns, what converts and what dies. If you want the full platform map next, it's coming. TikTok Shop Live, whatnot, YouTube shopping, Walmart creator, comment sold, who it's for, and which one fits beginners first. Before you go, I want one thing from you. Drop a comment below and tell me what's actually stopping you from trying live shopping. Is it confidence, inventory, tech, fear of going live to nobody? Tell me the real blocker. And if this gave you clarity, hit the subscribe right now. Hit it right now so you don't miss the platform breakdown and the setup video. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get you early on purpose.